Meaning of Greek cross.
Greek cross.
Greek cross.
Greek cross.
Greek cross. The Greek cross is a symbol that consists of 4 arms of equal length that intersect at right angles. It is typically associated with the Greek Orthodox Church and is a common architectural feature in Byzantine and Russian Orthodox churches. The Greek cross is often used in religious art as well as jewelry design, and it can be seen in many different forms throughout history. The simple, symmetrical shape of the Greek cross makes it a popular design element, and it is often used as a decorative motif in architecture and interior design.